All right, let's go over this stuff quickly. Again, buy the dip is very scary right now, being that we came down. All this V bottoming is not typical. So again, people are probably just saying, "Oh, shoot, it's going to V bottom again." Well, that's probably what would seem to be expected, and always expect the unexpected. Stopping at this level again that we have drawn out, and we just got to be cautious because it has not moved in a while. Again, you got V bottom, V, oh shit, no. And then now we got to say, okay, I know that they're going to be like, ooh, double or triple bottom, let's go to the upside. I would be very, very cautious going long now, as I've been saying before. QQQ, same thing. We're still at the 50%, above the 50% level, but again, you got lower highs in place, and if it breaks this low, gives a flag or retracement up to like a 50% level, it's short time all the way. So again, we just got to be cautious, and we got to look at the big picture, but again, it's not moving. So the shorts have been paying very, very well recently, but you just have to be really, really cautious regarding playing them. IWM, you pretty much have it in the same type of chop situation, and the diamond we also have at a situation. Again, it doesn't take much. So you have 30 components, you have two of them, Visa and MasterCard up, it's up. So you have to be very, really cautious regarding that. You got GoPro, kind of frozen today, but again, not in a bullish scenario as well. Tesla, the gap down. I didn't close at the open. I probably should have. So again, I'm just going to see how this one plays out. I'm just trying to ride this trend to see how far I can go. Again, my target was around that 181 area, so we'll see if it hits it in the next day or two. You got Google. Again, the trend is still down. Again, it would be my target would be hit, but it wouldn't be that I need to go long here. Again, if it's below it 50%, I'm going to trade it to the downside. If it's above, I'm going to trade it to the upside. But the trend still has to be respected, and the trend since September is to the downside. So you just trade it accordingly. Baba, still wish I would have gotten this trade on Monday. Still in a weak position. And going from there, as well as Baidu, that's another one that's in a weak position. Currently, I'm not letting just a little indecision candle based on an indecision day. Again, we've had a lot of extremes. We were down as much as 320 something, and we ended up closing 186 on the Dow. I think that we have some more downside to go, but again, I'm trying not to get overly bearish, because I know that once I get too bearish, that means the bottom or top is in, when I get foaming at the mouth type stuff, and it can happen to all of us. Apple, again, is just grinding sideways, so I'm just going to be cautious regarding this and not be too aggressive on either side. Twitter actually saw some relative strength today. So we just got to see how this one ends up being, and if it breaks above this, my stop is around this area right here. So again, if it stops me out, so be it. Next trade. You also have some Dow names that are not looking that good. CAT still in a bearish situation. You also got some financial names. Goldman Sachs, that's not a good look for Goldman Sachs. Bank of America is just not a good look as well. I don't care. This is moving out. I didn't want to take it just on this, 1 bar, 2 bar pullback and blind, but it's not looking that good, because again, it's, you're coming back, and if we again look at the big picture of what's going on, you have this prior high broke a little bit, and it's flushed to the downside. It's broke one key level of support or going to pivot, and now we got to see if it's going to test them. It's breaking this one already, and now it's going to come back and break this one as well. So we just again want to keep our minds open, but again, the trend is down. Amazon, I'm still in this trade to the downside, and probably should peel this one off too. But again, if it could continue down, I'm trying to just roll my stop down accordingly. So my stop is around here. Again, I'm in from 308, so I'm just trying to make sure that I don't prematurely take off anything. But it is kind of an oversold area, so we'll see what Thursday and Friday bring. Take care. Remember, Monday is a holiday. I'm telling you from now. So don't be caught with something and not know what's going on. So it is what it is. Take care.